this is e-generation project. We have used the two resources over here. One is a piezo. So this is called as a piezo and rolling mechanism. So here we have used the dynamo 500 RPM, 12 volt 1000 milliampere currents it is provides. And this is the rolling mechanism. When we'll rotate this one, then electricity will be generated. You can see here this one LED will be indicate that. And now this is the piezo. When we'll press this piezo, then electricity will be generated. So here we have used the rechargeable battery. This is the rechargeable battery. So we can say home appliances and all the devices require the constant and stable voltage. So that we have used the air battery. This one relay which is used to connect the battery to this fan and bulb. So now the first I will switch on this button. When press this button, then this LED will be indicated here. The battery is connected properly over here. So now the first link, when we'll move this roller, then electricity will be generated and battery will be connected to the fan and bulb. This one bulb will be moving here. You can see it slightly move, then electricity will be generated.